All right, this is part 2 of my how to access hidden dashcam clips on the Tesla flash drive using disk drill recovery software. So I just wanted to post the data that I got here since I have it. Wanted to post this data just in case somebody wanted to cross-reference the file number that is listed in each group of video clips. So this is group number 2, and these are the file numbers that I opened up, and I was able to create a timestamp. All right, using the watch that I mounted to the back of my camera. So you can see here, March 16th at 3:09 a.m. was the time I removed the SD card. And then if you look at 12:04 a.m., which is about 3 hours before, that would be file number 1402. 1402 was the file number, and it is still in the group, same group number 2. All right, so let's see here. Look at this. This is the night before, about 10:12 p.m. So that's about what 5 hours before I removed the SD card, and so that was still in group number 2, file number 1002. But that was the night before, March 15th. So about 5 hours before. All right, we're gonna move on down here. It looks like group 1 is here. You can see file number 6 on group 1 is at 5:51 p.m. the day before, March 15th. And then the latest one that you can access is file number 998, which happened at 10:11 p.m. on March 15th, which is roughly about 5 hours before the time that I removed the SD card. So you can use this data however you want to use it. Just for your reference, you might be able to use it as cross-reference. All right, so here you go. Group number 3. Those are the file numbers and the timestamps for March 15th, the day before. All right, then we have some more group 2s here. These are group 2 video clips. Here we move on to group 5 video clips. So this is the file number 4206, and that happened at 3:03 a.m. So this is about 12 hours before. 12 hours before I removed the SD card. And this is what, like a 35-minute, about a 30-minute section here. Then we have some more of group 2s, some more group 5s, and here we go, we get down to group 4 here. Group 4 looks like we start down here on the 14th. So this is 2 days before, about almost 10 p.m. File number is 3002. And we move all the way up to March 15th at 2:10 a.m. All group 4, and that's the file number 3998. All right, so now let's move down to group 3. That's what we have here. It starts at 7:52 p.m. on the 14th, and file number 2502. And what is this, 8 to 10? So that's about a 2-hour window. March 14th at file number 2998 at about 10 p.m. So those are all the group 3 video clips that I pulled together. And it looks like the last group number 6, all the video clips there had no timestamp, so I didn't have my watch connected there, but that look like it all happened about 4 days before. 4 or 5 days before. So March 11th, because I went skiing, and it's a bunch of clips from when we were driving in Lake Tahoe. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share my data with you. All right, thanks a lot. If you like this information, please like and subscribe, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.